Welcome to our channel, where we provide valuable insights and tutorials to help you navigate the digital world. Today, we have an important topic to discuss: deactivating your Twitter account. Whether you're looking to take a break from social media or permanently leave the platform, we're here to guide you through the process step by step. First and foremost, make yourself comfortable and grab a cup of coffee as we dive into the world of Twitter account deactivation. To begin, ensure that you are logged into your Twitter account using your username and password. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials to gain access to your account. It's essential to have the correct login information to proceed smoothly. Once you're logged in, you'll want to direct your attention to the upper right corner of the Twitter homepage. There, you'll find a drop-down menu labeled More. Click on it, and a plethora of options will unfold before your eyes. Among the various options in the drop-down menu, look for and select Settings. By doing so, you will gain access to the extensive range of settings and personalization options for your Twitter account. Take a moment to explore the settings page and familiarize yourself with the options available. You'll find sections dedicated to privacy, notifications, and more. Understanding these settings will empower you to customize your Twitter experience to suit your preferences. Now, focus your attention on the left-hand sidebar within the settings page. Here, you'll notice a navigation menu with different categories, including account, security and privacy, notifications, and more. For our purposes, select the account category. Within the account section, you'll come across various account-related options and information. Scroll down until you find the subsection labeled Deactivate Your Account. This is the gateway to bidding Twitter farewell. Before proceeding with the deactivation process, it's essential to understand the implications and consequences. Deactivating your account will result in the permanent loss of your tweets, followers, and any other account activity. If you think there's a chance you might want to return to Twitter in the future, you might consider downloading your Twitter data as a backup. Once you've thoroughly considered your decision and are ready to proceed, click on the Deactivate Your Account button. Twitter will prompt you with a notification confirming your intent to deactivate. Take a deep breath and click the Confirm button if you're absolutely sure about your decision. But wait. Hold on just a moment. It seems an unexpected obstacle has surfaced. Oops. It appears that you've forgotten your account password. Don't worry, though, we've got your back. To recover your password, click on the Forgot Password link located below the login fields on the Twitter homepage. This will redirect you to the password recovery page, where you'll need to provide the necessary information to reset your password. Follow the instructions provided by Twitter, such as entering the email address or phone number associated with your account. Once you've completed the verification process, you'll be able to reset your password. Now that you've successfully recovered your password, return to the account settings page where you were previously. Enter your newly reset password into the appropriate field and click on the Deactivate button once again. Congratulations! You've successfully navigated the twists and turns of Twitter account deactivation. As a result, your account has been deactivated, freeing you from the hustle and bustle of the Twitterverse. It's important to note that Twitter retains your account information for a period of 30 days. During this grace period, you have the opportunity to reactivate your account if you have a change of heart. After 30 days, your account will be permanently deleted, and recovery will no longer be possible. We hope this comprehensive tutorial has provided you with the necessary guidance to deactivate your Twitter account. Remember, taking a break from social media can be a valuable self-care practice. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below, and we'll be more than happy to help. Thank you for choosing our channel as your source of digital wisdom. Stay tuned for more informative videos, and until then, stay happy, stay safe, and stay connected or disconnected as you see fit. See you in our next video.